Asterisk, the world's largest digital camera has been developed with astonishing features. Asterisk. The Legacy Survey of Space and Time LSSD camera will soon be installed at the Vera C. Rubin Observatory in Chile. It's a 3,200 megapixel camera that's powerful enough to capture a golf ball in the lens from 15 miles away. The LSSD camera works like a normal digital camera and is equipped with 189 sensors that collect light from stars and other sources and convert it into electrical signals that are used to create digital images. Each sensor measures 16 millimeters and each has more pixels than an iPhone camera. Similarly, it has two lenses, out of which one lens is 1.5 meters wide, which is also the largest lens, while the other lens is 90 centimeters wide. This camera will provide researchers with valuable data that will help them learn a lot about the great mysteries of the universe. Weighing 3,000 kilograms, this camera will have a resolution of 3.2 gigapixels, while its size is the size of a small SUV. According to Zeljko Avezic, director of the Veracruz Observatory, the LSSD camera will soon become part of the observatory and will help create the most detailed map of the night sky. You can see my channel, so please subscribe my channel *12K and click the bell option. Thanks for watching.